Hello everyone, and welcome to this video, which is an introduction to SIW4210 knowledge productions in production in social sciences quantitative method, spring 2021. So this video is really just to give you a heads up on the key components of this course and some key information that you need to be aware of, and how it's really all structured. Some of you might wonder two things. Is it going to be a lot of math, and is it going to be a lot, and how will the exam look like? And let me just first start by saying that this course is applied. We're not going to do a lot of math, not any calculation at all, because we have a statistical software doing the calculations. So you will learn how to run statistical analysis and interpret them. And that is really the main focus of this course, is to run analysis and interpret them. And that will also be the exam. You will, for your exam, you will get more information as we go along about the exam, but the whole point or the exam will draw upon an analysis portfolio that you will be working with throughout the course. So most of that analysis portfolio will go into your research project, as you will, which you will submit as your home exam. So it's important that you work throughout the course with this analysis portfolio, because you're basically working with your home exam. There are parts of the analysis portfolio that will not be going into the exam, but most of it will be part of the exam. And now I've mentioned the analysis portfolio. You would probably wonder what that is, well, let me just take you briefly through everything. But remember, it will not be a lot of math at all. It will be very applied. So I've put in some key information. Please read this. And it's very important that you watch each e-lecture in advance, because as I said, this is going to be applied. So when we meet, I have a first intro lecture where I talk generally about the course, but after that we'll be basically meeting and doing analysis, working with the analysis portfolio, which I will talk about later. So the entire course plan with e-lectures you should watch in advance. The syllabus and not least the opportunity to ask questions about the different parts can be found here in this Padlet. We have made a Padlet for you with the course plan. So this is the lecture plan for the whole course, with all the key information, all the links you should go in and watch and get familiarized with. And you also have the possibility to ask questions to all this information. So if you have any questions, please ask them here, and we will answer, making a video or answering them in class, or making a comment to the question, because if you just click on that, you will be first to leave a comment to this post, add a comment, and then we can reply to that comment. So please do that. Ask questions here in this Padlet, you'll find the link in Canvas, so everyone can get to know the question, because people are probably wondering about the same thing. Okay, and I talked about this analysis portfolio, which we'll be working with from the second lecture. You'll find this as well here in Padlet, with the possibility to ask questions to each of the assignments. But what you should do is you should download this PDF, which is the whole portfolio with all the assignments you are going to be working with. And if you have questions to each part or each assignment, please again ask the questions here. And you have this e-lectures with the analysis portfolio part 1, part 2, and part 3. So I made videos with an example, so you can really watch me doing analysis in Jamovi, and you can follow me and do exactly the same thing with your own variables or your own questions. And also we have also put in this research project. This is a document with which kind of gives you some hints about the different themes you might be using youth data and Olang to study. And let me just say that these themes, you don't have to be writing about these themes. You can choose your own themes or the ones you find in Youth Data Norway. There's a whole bunch of possibilities, and so this is just a suggestion. And yeah, so you have all the assignments here that we'll be working with throughout the course. Yeah, ask your questions here if you have any questions. And again, I have a link also to all the e-lectures, so you have many links to find the e-lectures. They have also made at this blog site. I have I have a total overview, and all our teaching will be in Zoom. So use this link to find the Zoom room, or go to TP, to find the time. We will start tomorrow at 8:30, and it's going to be me and Nan who is going to run the show for the first 2 lectures. You also have the Zoom link here with a password and so on. I think you can just click and get right in. Okay, so that was heads up on SIW4210, some key information. Watch and learn.